Oh yeah, hold on. How are we there? Yeah man, we are changing the game, see it here.
Yo!
We are in that tree. Yeah man, a hunk there, yeah man, a hunk and a punk, you know.
Yo, come over here, son, man. Me give somebody a fat conk.
Hold on. Look up in that tree here first. See
Yeah,
what go on?
John.
We
Brother.
tell you, so we on the motherfucking land. Watch this.
Hold on. Unk, how are them here?
Oh,
No a guru, no a god, a detox.
look at that.
This is duck flour. Alright, I'll pick the one I make there, see? And then I'll put it down here so. So people, let me give you a lesson on this. You see then one here we close, have a gas inside of it. Then very dangerous. The gas have to release. That's why you have to know who you buy herbs from. You see this one now we open where gas release. This is called duck flour. This plant poison you before it fix you. If you name one, it make your shit, vomit, all your nose drain mucus, all your eye them, you feel the back of your eye nerve in your eye jerk. Because nothing about this is so good. The only thing is that, me tell you, you have to first hurt your body before you fix it. That's why me as a man, me a guru fasting. Because you literally have to kill bad cell. You have to kill the bacteria cell by breaking the habits. You see, these people, one of this will change your life. Yeah, man. Duck flour, don't feel no way. And it also replenish your blood, cleanse the liver, cleanse the kidney.
Yeah, man.
The guru a detox.
Yes, sir.
Boy, today is a lucky day. Let me reap them meanwhile they all look no brother.
There.
Make sure say no
Yeah,
wash
man.
no there, you know. We all have the seeds them, you know.
Yeah,
Man. Me finally find in a Jamaica, man. Finally,
Yeah,
we have
man.
them for sale, you know, man, and we have them internationally and locally. Yeah, man, believe it or not, in Jamaica, through Knoxford Express, we sell them per flour. So you have to determine how much you want. You
Yes,
understand? Yes, sir. Yeah, man, we pick you only one, where what? You gas release.
On a whooping.
Yeah, man, same like how Aki is poisonous. Yeah, man, when it's not open, I same thing with duck flour. It has to be open, you hear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, you know.
Yeah, man.
Unk!
Yeah, man.
In this nature, you get a fat
So we outside
conk.
there now. We out here, man. See it here. Yeah, man, I bad dancer that you see. Check
Yeah,
out
man.
OPD dancers. See where you see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Triple 442 80 number 7 vote here.
Over there,
Yes,
man.
sir. And we're there, man. Hunk there. We don't win a punk.
Yes, sir.
If you
Yes,
do
sir.
link, fat conk.
Yes, sir.
Nature with
We
there.
only name vegetable, we don't name no conk.
Okay. Out there.
Peace alive! Why yard?